I think we were lucky as far as Ryan. I mean, you know, for yeah, Mike, they didn't need chiropractor's been fixing his back, so because he didn't play much, he didn't really risk much. Or well, he's taking computer repair with BOCES. BOCES decided to hire him this year. Kind of doing some of that one, but actually started with a job next year. Didn't go to school, but they didn't have the state budget. They didn't pay any better than anything. Yeah, not doing anything to fix it. I mean. As far as I can tell, I mean, we offshored more jobs this year than we ever offshored before that I've seen. I mean, layoffs are being awesome. So far, you know. I'm sure your thing probably has a mount. If it has a mount screw on the bottom, I can mount it on the tripod and really get a good shot of it. Yeah. So that's the one drawback with the thing I'm using for YouTube. The fact it's a mono. I mean, you know, the singing isn't going to sound great in mono. I mean, it shoots beautiful pictures. It shoots in HD. Mic. This thing is like the size of a pack of cigarettes. You can't believe how small it is. Yeah. Yeah, actually the sound wasn't bad considering it's a mono microphone. Yeah. I gotta find where I put the DVDs and home movies again and try and shoot all the mics. Yeah, I think that's the one part that I didn't put on or something, because I kind of broke it up when I was doing it, and I just didn't get around to putting that part on, because I was using my downstairs TV then. Hopefully I can use the upstairs one. I just put a couple of, what I did was I did an experiment yesterday, and I took a couple of pieces of television show that had a guy who played Dr. No in it as a guest star. I call it a tribute to Dr. No, part 1 and 2. So that's the latest things I put out there. And when you see that picture, I did it with the tripod in front of the large screen. You'll see that the picture is just fantastic, really, considering I'm doing it from the DVD onto the television. So. Yeah. Well, this little camera is easy to use, but like I said, though, if you want better sound, I think you're going to want whatever you've got. You've probably got something that has better sound to it. So. I got a DVD when you came down to House there a few years ago singing. Sometime maybe I'll load that in the computer and throw it out on YouTube. Let's see, when you think about love. it on a DVD, so it's on a DVD. I can actually throw it into the computer probably and download it. I just haven't tried to do it yet. Just found it the other day. I was going through stacks and said, oh my gosh, I got this DVD of Tony here. Let's see now. What kind of camcorder have you got? Well, even if it uses tape, I could probably do some conversion process, because what I could do is, if worst comes to worst, I could always do a transfer from one to another, one way or another. I could probably pick something up, but I'm not sure where the sound quality would be if I wound up having to use this little toy in order to do it, though, so. Actually, I do have a burner where I can tape. I can burn it. I can burn that